welcome to the art room. I'm Mrs. Daughtry. Oh, hold on just a minute. I'm gonna take this off so you can hear me just a little better since we're alone. There you go. Hi, I'm Mrs. Daughtry. I'm the art teacher here at Brunswick High School, and this is our art classroom here at Brunswick High School. And I have been here, this is my third year here at Brunswick High School. I've been in Glenn County for 24 years, but only the last 2 and this year at Brunswick High. I'm very excited to see everybody face to face this year. All right, so I will be teaching in the fall 2 sections of Visual Arts Comp 1 and 1 section of Drawing and Painting 1 and 2 that are combined, which is basically advanced art. And then in the spring, I will be teaching Visual Arts Comp 1, Visual Arts Comp 2, and also AP. AP can be categorized in 3, it actually is 3 sections. It's 2D, 3D, and a drawing portfolio. For every class, I'm gonna need for you to have a sketchbook that's 9 by 12. Please don't get the small kind. I need you to get one that is 9 by 12, and preferably a spiral bound one. I don't really care what brand it is. Just try to make sure that the paper has some thickness to it, that it's not paper, like really, really thin paper. It doesn't have to be mixed media or super thick. Preferably at least 80 pages would be great. And a pencil. So those are the things I need you to have the very first day, at least in the first couple of days. I will be posting on my website a supply list with specifics. Because of the COVID, sharing supplies is gonna be tricky. I am gonna purchase a UV wand to sanitize equipment as best I can, but it would be preferable if everyone had their own art kit. And I will have some supplies that I would definitely like you to get, and there'll be some supplies that I will supply. So you don't have to worry about purchasing really expensive stuff. I really look forward to seeing everybody. My main goal in teaching art, especially to Visual Arts Comp 1 and 2, is just to introduce you to what art is, all the different parts of what that means to society. I like to say art is the heart of education, but it also can be the anchor. And here it is, the anchor. First of all, as long as you're anchored in being in class and trying your best, you will excel in my class. I'm pretty easy to get along with. I will go over more about grading and that kind of thing when you come to class. But just remember, our theme this year is Anchors Away, and art can be the anchor. It is the anchor for pretty much all of history. Think about the artifacts that anthropologists and archaeologists look at to figure out about cultures. So there is the aesthetics, expression, culture, and history. So anchors away. I'll see you in the art room. Keep art in your heart.